What's going on YouTube? Today we have a special one, Ferrari F12 brake calipers. These are them on arrival. They've gone through our usual process of blasting them, cleaning them, prepping them all for paint. And now we're going to show you how to rebuild a rear caliper on this lovely car. Just putting the finishing touches on what is a beautiful car. So we're going to start here. Same as most processes, we start with the bore seals. Fit them in. Oliver's just going to pop them in here. We've got 4 bore seals to slide in. These are very easy to fit into the grooves. Number 3, popping in there, and number 4. The next thing he's going to do is he'll just put a little bit of grease inside the bores. So we use a red rubber grease. It's specially designed for actual rubber on brake calipers. If you don't want to over grease these, just put a little bit in there. Like so. Now we know most people who own Ferrari F12s aren't going to be rebuilding their own brake calipers, but this is to show you that we treat every single type of car exactly the same, whether it's a Ferrari F12 in this situation or you have, you know, a £100 banger that you absolutely love. We will still treat it exactly the same way. In terms of rebuilds, the same process. So the next thing Oliver's done is he's popped the dust covers on the pistons there, and he's just going to slide them into the bore and ensure they fit properly. He'll do these with all 4. Just like that. Again, these should just slide into the bore nicely with finger pressure. You shouldn't need any pressure, real sort of serious pressure. If you need to use grips, there's something wrong, you need to stop, take it out and have a look at that. So we're going to pop a yellow bung in the back of these just because we're transporting them and shipping. You don't need to do this, obviously you would put your brake lines on the back of these. And then we're going to pop the bleed nipples in. While you're watching this, if you like this content, if you want to like, subscribe and share, that'd be absolutely perfect, it would really help us out. He's popping the 2 bleed nipples in. We always start doing them by hand before we bring on any tools, just to get them started, ensures no damage to the threads occur. We'll just lift these up so they're ready for the customer to pop on the car, or his mechanic garage, whoever's looking after it. We'll then pop the rubber covers on just to protect them, stops corrosion around the bleed nipple. Number 1 and number 2 there. And that is a Ferrari F12 rear brake caliper fully rebuilt. So these arrived to us in black. The customer had purchased these for his car and just wanted to add a little bit of sort of finishing touches to it. So he got them done in the Ferrari yellow. Same stencil that arrived. Here they are on arrival to us. You can see they're dirty, obviously black. This is us finished after going through the BCS transformation